we create a content? Hello guys, welcome to Yundel channel, and today's share is about creating content to your channel. Guys, this thing, I learned this from school since I am in this training in marketing, and I am sharing this with you. How can we create a content? First of all, you must know your why. You must know your purpose. What is your purpose? Why you are creating a YouTube channel? Why you are in this platform? You must know your why in order to have ideas what you are going to create. It is what it is. We must go into our deeper self, why you are in this platform. When you know your why, then you must know what is your purpose. Your purpose is to share your message to others. Then read so many books as you can, what you really like doing, what you really love doing. Guys, I know this is not easy, but I am sharing this with you because I always hear from my friends, I don't know what will be my contents. I don't have a content. You can have a content if you are going to dig into your inner self, find your why, know your purpose, why you are in this platform. You can do it, guys. Many of us have difficulties to create content, but guys, in my own experience, I am sharing this with you that when you practice the power of meditation, the power of prayer, and you know your why, you know your purpose, the ideas just come in a minute or two. Before I am going to read something, before I am going to start creating content in my channel, I have to meditate, I have to pray, to have wisdom what I am going to do today, what I am going to share to the world today. As you know, here in Yundel channel, this is a life journey channel, a life journey with fibromyalgia. This is my purpose. I survive life of fibromyalgia because I work with myself, because I am reading every day to encourage myself, to empower myself in order to live my best life. Having a fibromyalgia is very painful, it's very challenging, it's very frustrating, and it is very depressing. I have to find my why. My why is I have to encourage myself. And if I am going to encourage myself, I want to encourage you as well. The ideas will come when you open the book. The reading is very powerful. If you've been listening in my blogs, the reading really is very powerful. The content of your channel must be about you, what you love doing, what you are going to share to the world. What is your purpose? Why you are going to share your content to others? Why you want others to say what is in your channel? And that I am doing. I am reading, I am scripting, I am blogging it, I am uploading into my channel. First, I have to read, then I have to summarize, then I have to write it, then I have to blog it, then I am sharing it here with you in this platform. This thing helps me to keep on going despite of the challenges, despite of the difficulties, despite it is very depressing my situation that I am having pain throughout my body because of the fibromyalgia. It's very frustrating because I cannot do the thing I want to do like before. I cannot do the overtime job. My thing is, everything is limited when I have to fulfill something. But guys, I am reading every day. I am sharing it with you because I hope somebody out there needed to hear my message. And I know my why. My why is I am helping myself. I am sharing it, my purpose with you. And I am hoping that somebody out there needed to hear my message. Therefore, guys, it is very important. You have the time with yourself to contemplate, to meditate, to ask guidance from the universe or from God, to ask guidance to guide you every day, give you ideas what you are going to vlog, giving you ideas to fulfill your purpose, to fulfill your destiny. All these things becomes easier to create. The ideas will come if you know how to practice the power of meditation, the power of prayer, and knowing really what is your why and what is your purpose. You must have a purpose in your life or else you cannot go farther. Therefore, many of us is struggling about our content. Why? Because we are just doing it without even thinking further that we have to define our why. We have to define our purpose. Why you are sharing your content in this platform. When everything being said and done, guys, then you must know what you love doing. If you love yourself, you know what is your hobby, you know what is the thing that can make you inspired, the thing which can make you push through, even it is hard. Then you know your purpose, you know your why, then it becomes easier to create a content. Many times I hear, no, I don't have a talent. Guys, deep inside you, each and every one of you can do something, can contribute something. Therefore, it is very important that you put that into action. Therefore, journaling is very important. Then you are finding your why. Why? Okay, you write it down. You know your purpose, you write it down. And all the ideas, it's so amazingly I experience, guys. The ideas will come when I can write it down, when I can define my why and my purpose. But every day, you have to recall it to yourself. What is my why today? What is my purpose today? What content I am going to share to others today? Everything must be acknowledged. From you stays up in the morning, you must know what you want to do today. And that thing, you have to think that I'm going to share this to my community. I'm going to share this in my platform. Then you have to create from there. You have to do the things you want to do in that certain day. Remember the power of now. You must live in the now. Today is the day. Today is a present time. You have to know what you feel like doing today. You have to know what you are going to share to the world today. We love sharing, right? We share all the time. And make that thing a niche for you, that you are going to share your food, your ideas, your creation to others. Because in this platform, the YouTube need a creator. We must be a creator in this platform. And how to create something, it always begins with a simple thought. A thought, an idea will come. If you have the peace of mind, the clarity of mind, you know your why, you know you define your purpose, and you are willing to share it to the world. In my experience, I have to read every day in order to share with you some thoughts. I love reading, and it helps me in my daily life to keep on going. It inspires me. I am looking forward to it. So therefore, I am sharing it with you. That is my why. And in my other channel, that is a vegetarian lifestyle, I am not a cook, but I have to think what I am going to eat today, what I want to eat today, what I am going to feed in my stomach today. So when you know that answer, you have to write the questions, what you are going to do today, and when you can write all these things, the ideas of creating a content in your channel will just come. So guys, I am sharing with you this because it is really important. If we can just silence ourselves, have a moment with ourselves, the ideas will come. Therefore, the prayer and meditation goes hand in hand in creating our content in this platform. Yeah, guys, this is Yundel. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. I have to go in now. It's been snowing here the whole day in Lillehammer. So I thank you all for your support in my channel. I love you all, and remember to do the meditation and the prayer. The content will become easier to create when you have the clarity of mind. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.